Paano ba i-organize ang mga tasks kung sabog ang schedule? Hi, this is Angel, the VA mom of 3 littles living here in Panabo, Davao, coming from General Santos City. How to organize client tasks kahit sabog ang schedule? Based on my experience, lalo na sa part-time job ko, na flexible, na wala namang specific hours, pero maraming mga tasks na hindi ako masyado familiar. Pero, ibig ko lang sabihin is, magamit ka ng apps to schedule yung task in priorities. That is sa first job ko as a VA. We use Asana. My employer or my client put all the tasks there that gusto niyang gawin ko. And then, I just check mark it. Pero now, recently, I'm just actually using my notes in my laptop kasi for me, it's easier and wala na akong time to organize yung mga task or list kasi mas importante for me to do it right away whenever she asked me to do it. Lalo na yung mga task is to be done for that day or for throughout the weeks. Meron naman kasing checklist yung notes so I just check it when it's done. I also add in the calendar, like kahit event siya, pero just to remind me na for that day I should do this, I should have remind the client, ganon. I also do email scheduling when it terms to in the future pa gagawin or in the future pa i-remind. For example, forwarding this to remind you to reply to this email or to do this task right away. I also once use Trello. It's still an app na pwede ka lagay mga list of tasks for each members and then they just move it from to do and then doing and then done or completed, tapos repeat the process. So, it really depends. We have used it for just 1 month lang doon sa US client where I am a team lead because I assign tasks. So, gamit na gamit ko siya. Lalo na, it's been dati, dalawa lang kami or ngayon, I lead like 18 members or 19. And it's very busy. Sometimes I don't have time to really use the app. But we have that specific task na every day. So, I use Excel. For me, mas easier yung Trello and it has free trial. I'm just creating notes. The checklist is a notes. Tapos, Google Calendar, scheduling email. Excel is the very best, lalo na kung routinary naman yung mga gawain. And mga apps na nagamit ko na are Asana and Trello. Yun lang. If you wanna try and study it out. Ano bang gamit mo to organize your tasks? Comment down below. Gusto nyo ba ng quick demo on how to use Asana app or Trello app or kahit notes lang, Google Calendar, and so on and so forth? I'm gonna go live on TikTok, most probably during weekend, Saturday, 8 p.m. I missed last Saturday but I will try my best this coming Saturday at 8 p.m. Siguro mga kahit 15 to 30 minutes lang kasi alam niyo naman may mga bata tayo. This is Angel, the VA Mom of 3 Littles. For more VA tips, mom life or family life, and product finds, follow VA Mom of 3 Littles in all our socials. See ya!